I am Jules. So, I'm going to do the solution and mixture experiment. So first, I'm going to put a cup with a little bit of salt. Then with sugar. And then with a stick of lemon. So now I'm going to, with this thing, I'm going to put water with one of these cups water and to another cup of water. So I'm going to use the sugar and put it like this. I'm going to mix a little bit. So this is a mix. No. A solution, because there is the sugar still. So now I'm going to take this away. Now I'm going to use Nestea. So I'm going to put the water like this. Finish all the water. And I'm going to mix. So I put it like this. And it is a mixture. Because all the thingy fall down and mixed. So now it is with the salt. So I'm going to put a little bit more water than in the other ones. And this. Oh. Like this. And it is a mixture because it mixes. So that's all, and bye.